Peel and grate radish. Mix 1 teaspoon salt and keep aside for 20 minutes. Squeeze the water. Now add green chili, green coriander, fresh pomegranate seeds, red chili flakes and mix them. Filling is ready. Roll the dough ball into circle. Take a good amount of stuffing and place it on one of the rolled dough. Cover it with the other rolled dough and join the edges. Roll the dough into size of paratha. Fry the paratha with ghee, oil or butter when one side cooked upside down. Flip again couple of times until paratha got brown color. Paratha is ready.